Hello guys, welcome back to our next video. So today we will see how you can extend your boot volume in OCI. So you can see here I have one machine that's name is Oracle Linux 9 running, and we have the public IP. Let's see the storage. In storage you can see it has only one boot volume, right? So there is no block volume, and you can see the boot volume is attached and it is 47 GB. So let's see how we can do that. So I click on the boot volume for the machine. The machine name is Oracle Linux 9, and you can see the full details right here. On top here there is one option to edit. So when I do the edit, I can see the volume size 47. Say for this example I need to make it 100, so I update here. So just copy these commands. So we need to log into the VM and we have to execute this command, then only the increased size will be get affected. So I just copied and I'm waiting for the status to be available. Yeah, now it's available. Let me log into the machine. So I'm logging to the next machine. So let me clear the screen. So you can see df-h, you can see the total we got around /30 GB, and fdisk -l will also gives you 46.6 GB, right? /dv/sda. Also you can issue one more command, lsblk, to see how much is the current size. So totally around 46, right? So let me clear these commands. And earlier I have put some commands over there, right, for resizing. So let me execute that. So I have done that, and now let me check lsblk. You can see the size changed to 100 GB, right? So earlier it was 46 point something. The same you can see in fdisk -l, you can see it's 100 GB, right? So what happened right now? So right now on the back end, the boot volume size is get increased, but when you issue df-h, just see whether you don't get that 100 GB, right? So all together will come around 46 GB. So in order to make this operating system to understand there is a boot volume space increase, you need to resize the boot volume in OS level also. So how you can do that? So in Oracle Enterprise Linux 9, so you need to install OCI growth.fs utility. So let me check whether it is available or not. So OCI-growfs. Okay, so there is no command like that because this is a basic standard OS only, right? So in this case I need to install the package using yum. So the package name is OCI-utils. Basically it's utilities, right? So let me install it using the command yum install OCI-utils -y. Okay, so that now the installation has been completed. So now I need to issue the command user libx OCI-growfs. Okay, so you can see it increasing the logical volume. The volume has been extended. You can see the logical volume or LVM has been extended, right? So now let me see df-h command. You can see the slash, now it's 83 GB. So earlier it was around 30 something like that, right? So this is the way you can increase the boot volumes. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.